So the question is that why I love Python programming language. The number one reason I learned Python programming language is beautiful, clean. The number one reason why I hate Python is the space. If by mistake you enter one simple space, it won't work. Indentation. I mean, sometimes you're writing up like hundredth line of code by mistake. You press a space bar where you should not press. The code will not work. Spacebar is something which you can't easily debug. It's horrible. That is the reason I hate Python. The main reason I love Python is it's really easy to learn. The code is absolutely beautiful. Python is been replaced in university for the introduction to computers, and before they used the Java. I mean, there's some kind of like romantic feeling in my heart for Java. I know. I mean, I'm an old school guy. I'm 27. When I was like a small Jimmy, I get my hand dirty with Java. That's why there's some kind of like symbolic, romantic feeling for Java. But Python, you can build games in Python. It's quite easy to learn. Just remember to watch out the spacebar. Okay, that's why I love Python. The code is beautiful, it's short, it's easy, it's like more. English friendly. When I say English friendly, it's not like computer friendly. It's more like English friendly. You understand what you're writing. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. If you have any more questions, check out the links in the description box. Please subscribe and bye.